Welcome to the Cat-a-Logue tour. Cat-a-Logue enables librarians to manage libraries and collections. Using Cat-a-Logue, they can manage one or more libraries, tracking catalogued items, books, videos, electronic data, periodicals, etc., their whereabouts, condition, acquisition, and destruction. For ease of use and fun, the Cat-a-Logue uses the look and feel of a traditional library of wood and paper, cabinets and cards. Users can choose between computer data entry type screens and the Cat-a-Logue cards. Here we are approaching the Cat-a-Logue through the grand entrance. While we see this entrance screen, the computer is checking for the existence of important control files. Once those files have been identified, the system will take us through into the library itself. If the files are not found, it will exit and give you a message as to which file is missing. The library building is open, so we go to the librarian's reception desk. At this desk, we identify which library we wish to use and which librarian we are. The librarian's nameplate is on the desk. If you click on that name, you can change to an alternative librarian. The library that was last used appears on the Cat-a-Logue brass plate on the right-hand side. To change the library, click on the word library on the book that sits on the desk. To create a new library, click on the word new. To use the last library, just click on last, and to close Cat-a-Logue, click on close. The help book sitting on the shelf will take you into the contextual help for Cat-a-Logue. Before we leave the reception desk, the computer will do a few checks, making sure that all the tables and files that are needed in order to use the Cat-a-Logue library are in fact there. If there's any problems, it will prompt you, possibly to point to a new directory. If, for example, you've been moving files, this is the point at which you can easily point to the location of the files. Or, in fact, you can use this functionality to move the files within Cat-a-Logue. And now we come to the heart of the system, the Cat-a-Logue. The Cat-a-Logue is actually a piece of furniture, and in the Cat-a-Logue are cards. In a traditional system, the most likely versions of cards will be one set ordered by alphabetical order of author, one set alphabetical order by title, one set alphabetical order of titles within subjects. Another set that you may see is a simple shelf list, which is virtually the order the books are in the actual library. The Cat-a-Logue is the heart of the system. It's the main menu. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Cat-a-Logue brass plate. If you click on the word Cat-a-Logue, you can change libraries at any time. Next to the Cat-a-Logue brass plate is the librarian's nameplate. Again, if you click on this, you can change the identity of the librarian. On the left-hand side of the screen, there's a set of boxes. Each of these boxes will take you directly to a part of the program. Or, in the case of the bottom box, it will close the Cat-a-Logue completely. The bulk of the screen is taken up by 9 drawers. These drawers are sub-menus. If you click on the front of the drawer, you'll see tabbed options, the functionality that's accessible from that sub-menu. The top 3 drawers access the Cat-a-Logue card system, the actual emulation of Cat-a-Logue cards. Under those 9 drawers, there's a shelf with binders. If you generate reports within Cat-a-Logue and print them to PDF with their default names, the most popular of the reports are accessible directly from those binders. They will show you the last version printed. They will not create new versions. The final set of drawers, which appear on the binder shelf, will take you to external modules for Cat-a-Logue. For example, the user portal, which provides search and informational functionality specifically for end users, and the import-export system for integrating with LibraryThing. You'll also notice on the top of the Cat-a-Logue there's a cat we call Media Cat. That Media Cat is very important. He tells you what type of media by default you are working with at this time.